Emergencies are part and parcel of property management in Bengaluru, whether it's a sudden plumbing failure, electrical outage, or gas leak. However, while rapid response is non-negotiable, maintaining tenant comfort and satisfaction is equally critical. At SANGAU, we understand that how you handle emergency repairs can directly impact tenant trust and your property's reputation. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies for handling urgent repairs effectively without compromising on communication, professionalism, or tenant relationships. Stay with us as we uncover how to manage property emergencies with confidence and care. 1. Define what constitutes an emergency. The foundation of any successful emergency response strategy lies in clearly defining what qualifies as an emergency. While tenants may perceive any issue as urgent, not all disruptions demand immediate intervention. A flickering light or stuck window is inconvenient, but it's not the same as a flooding kitchen or gas leak. Set precise definitions of emergency events, such as electrical faults, severe water leaks, fire hazards, or complete power outages, and share this with tenants through lease agreements, digital portals, or welcome guides. When tenants know what situations require immediate reporting, it helps manage expectations and reduces unnecessary panic. 2. Implement a round-the-clock contact system. Emergencies don't follow office hours, and neither should your support system. A 24/7 emergency contact solution is essential for prompt repair coordination. Establish a dedicated helpline, after-hours voicemail, or call center service that tenants can reach during emergencies. Property managers handling smaller portfolios can set up staff rotation schedules to ensure round-the-clock coverage. Make sure tenants know exactly how and where to report emergencies. A dependable contact mechanism ensures rapid communication and a structured response, helping tenants feel secure at all times. 3. Build a trusted emergency vendor network. Speed and reliability go hand in hand during emergency repair situations. Maintain a curated network of certified and licensed emergency vendors, plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and disaster recovery specialists who are familiar with your properties and are on call for urgent tasks. Establish service agreements that include guaranteed response times and escalation protocols. Strong vendor relationships ensure fast service, reduce repair times, and higher quality outcomes, all of which contribute to tenant safety and satisfaction during critical moments. Keep your emergency repair plan up to date. A well-documented and regularly updated emergency repair plan is crucial. This plan should clearly outline procedures for handling various emergencies, from fire and flooding to structural failures and power loss, and assign specific roles to your team. Include emergency contact details for vendors, utility companies, and internal staff. Make this plan easily accessible both online and offline, and review it annually or whenever new properties are added. An organized plan equips your team to act with speed and precision during high-stress situations. 5. Prioritize transparent communication with tenants. Timely and transparent communication can significantly ease tenant anxiety during emergencies. As soon as an issue is identified and help is en route, inform affected tenants about the nature of the emergency, the steps being taken, estimated resolution times, and any potential safety precautions. Use SMS alerts, email updates, or your property management app to keep everyone informed. When tenants feel they're being kept in the loop, they're more likely to remain cooperative and reassured. 6. Provide temporary solutions to reduce inconvenience. In some cases, immediate full-scale repairs may not be possible due to part availability or required inspections. When this happens, provide temporary fixes to maintain habitability, whether it's applying portable heaters during a heating outage or arranging alternative accommodation during plumbing repairs. Such efforts show responsiveness and empathy. Temporary solutions help bridge the gap and show tenants that their comfort is a top priority, even when circumstances are out of your control. 7. Ensure strict compliance with safety protocols. Tenant safety must always come first. During emergency repairs, ensure that all professionals involved adhere to safety standards, such as using PPE, marking off hazardous areas, and securing workspaces. If an issue poses immediate health or fire risks, like a gas leak, temporarily evacuate affected tenants. Document all safety actions taken to demonstrate your diligence. Being cautious and compliant not only protects tenants, but also shields you from future liability or legal challenges. 8. Keep detailed documentation of every step. Thorough documentation of all emergency repair activity is essential for legal, operational, and financial reasons. Record the incident timeline, its cause, vendor response, communication with tenants, and any temporary measures taken. Store this data in your property management system. Good records can assist in insurance claims, tenant queries, and post-incident analysis. In the event of legal scrutiny, well-kept logs serve as evidence of your professional response and accountability. 9. Follow up after repairs are completed. Once the immediate emergency has been resolved, your job isn't over. Follow up with affected tenants to ensure the issue has been fully resolved and that their living conditions are back to normal. Invite feedback on how the situation was handled, especially the timeliness of communication and repair quality. This demonstrates your commitment to tenant care and gives you valuable insight into what could be improved in future responses. 10. Learn and improve from every emergency. Each emergency event is an opportunity for learning and enhancement. Conduct an internal debrief to evaluate what went well and what could be done better. Was the vendor response prompt? Were tenants confused about reporting procedures? Were delays avoidable? Use the answers to update your emergency protocols and vendor agreements. If certain emergencies were preventable through better maintenance, revise your preventive maintenance schedules accordingly. Bonus tip: on board tenants with an emergency response guide. Emergency preparedness should start from day one. As part of your tenant onboarding, provide a straightforward emergency guide detailing how to report emergencies, shut off utilities, and handle various common crises. Include visuals of shutoff valves, fuse boxes, and emergency contacts. This proactive approach empowers tenants to act responsibly during the first critical minutes of a situation and reinforces your professionalism as a property manager. Partner with SANGAU for hassle-free emergency repair management. At SANGAU, we ensure that emergencies are met with calm, control, and capability. Our Bengaluru-based property management services are designed to handle 24/7 emergency coordination, leverage trusted vendor partnerships, and deliver seamless tenant communication. Whether it's plumbing disasters, electrical faults, or any urgent maintenance issue, SANGAU manages repairs with speed and care, minimizing disruption and maximizing satisfaction. Trust SANGAU to transform emergencies into opportunities for excellent tenant service and long-term property value. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Want to share your emergency repair experience or have questions about managing urgent repairs in your property? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.